Nowadays, figure-8 power cords like this are everywhere. They power our TV sets, our sound bars, Wi-Fi speakers, streamers. And what most people don't realize is that these power cords can have a big effect on the sound and image quality of these components. I have a simple test here that can help us understand why. This is a noise sniffer, and you'll see when I bring it close to the power cord, it beeps. This is telling us that the 60 hertz power line frequency is leaking out of the power cord. Well, that could be a problem if it's picked up by some other cable and that noise causes a problem. But more importantly, it shows that this power cord is not shielded. It can act as an antenna, picking up your Wi-Fi and all different kinds of noise. So besides the power line noise, we're creating another noise problem. Now, ideally, we would have a power cord that would not cause problems and it would just fix problems. Well, this new Wireworld shielded mini power cord does exactly that. It is the world's first two-conductor power cord that is fully shielded. Unlike a conventional cord picking up noise, it doesn't pick up any noise. And instead, it actually filters noise very effectively. Now, we can see at the end plug that this one is plugged in, and yet it's dead silent in a very sensitive test. The improvements that you can get from these things are not subtle. A lot of this noise is really degrading the sound quality and video that we hear. Now, there are a few companies out there that make a shielded power cord with a third pin going into the wall that actually will do well at low frequencies and block the noise we're picking up here, but it's not effective at these high radio frequencies, as in Wi-Fi, that pollute our audio and video. So these Wireworld shielded mini power cords, the world's first two-conductor shielded power cords, are a way to make big improvements in the quality of your sound and video. I hope you get the chance to try them soon. Thank you.